Hey, good evening. So we're here today at JFK Airport. We are going to give you an overview of the only on-site airport hotel here at JFK, the TWA Hotel. So we're in baggage claim in Terminal 5, JetBlue's terminal. We've just got our bags and then we're going in the elevator straight up. How simple is that to get to the airport? So that was easy. All we had to do was take the elevator up and we're in the hotel. So if you enjoyed the videos throughout and you like the stay, you think it's very informative, give us a thumbs up, do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. And it'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button and bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. Let's go and see what this hotel is like. What a cool jetway. This is really cool. Some of the famous people here. Beatles, Marilyn Monroe, JFK, Muhammad Ali, Eleanor Roosevelt, Lassie. Such a cool hotel. Few vintage cars here as well. Arrivals. This isn't real-time arrivals, this is 1960s arrivals. Although the time on the board is correct there. They've got a 24-hour food hall here, just in case you want any snacks, beverages or anything like that. Again, you've got more of those cars. And some pretty amazing 60s music playing. So here in the food hall you have got quite a few different options. You get a whole bunch of crepes, you can get soft serve ice cream, sandwiches. Each of these is a separate thing. Just come up the ramp here that was right in the middle of the food hall, and you've got a fitness center here, so you've got a gym on site as well, which is pretty amazing for those pilots that are staying on site. They want to get their exercise in, they've got somewhere to go. So you've got two wings here as well. You've got the Saarinen wing and you've got the Hughes wing.
Pool and observation deck.
Okay, so we have pool and observation deck. So can you see flights taking off from here?
We're on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
We need to go down.
A bus station is where a bus stops. A train station is where a train stops. On my desk, I have a workstation for you. Guest rooms, pool, food, Connie, fitness, retail, and airport. Just checking into room 285 here, the TWA Hotel at JFK Airport. Oh wow. Wow. It's a very sterile room, just to start with. Very sterile room. But it's a nice room. You've got a wireless phone charger by the bed, along with 2 USB sockets, 2 plug sockets that side. No wireless phone charger this side, but you have got your single plug socket over there. You've got a few really cool bits of artwork on there. You've got Disneyland Fly TWA, Los Angeles, Paris Fly TWA Jets, and Egypt Transworld Airlines TWA. Nice big, large Samsung TV there, flat screen TV on the wall. The lamps are really cool. You have really got a 60s vibe in here. It's very echoey. Not a lot of actual furnishings in here. This is quite cool. Place garbage here, place recyclables here. Couple more plug sockets here. And just here you've got an electric button to press the blinds. Automated blind switches, nice and handy. Come back around, we have brought all of our suitcases in, so forgive the mess there. We've got an area to either sit or put a suitcase, as well as a little drawer. You've got a little quote-unquote wardrobe here, so you can hang some of your belongings there. Just in here, you've got a few martini glasses. Why not? A couple of plug sockets, you've got your ice bucket there, and just down the bottom here, you've got yourself a small fridge as well. So coming around into the bathroom, find the light switch here. The light looks to be on a sensor, which is quite a good idea. Quite a spacious open bathroom. You've got a nice open, mostly walk-in shower there, just a very small step, just in case you've got some accessibility issues. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here. This is just they're filled up each day, the reusable ones, so they're not wasting loads of plastic. All your towels, your linens. You've got a hairdryer down there. Don't know if that's a Hoover as well, weirdly. An extra paper. This really has got a 60s vibe to it, this hotel. Pretty cool. Just a really nice chill room. So I'll put down in the bottom corner how much this cost us for a single night here. A little bit pricey, but bear in mind that is the only on-site hotel here at JFK International Airport, so you pay a premium for that convenience. We'll feed you back how we feel about everything in the morning. Nice king bed in here, which is very handy. Couple of seating areas there. This looks like a room you could stay in for a couple of nights. As I said though, it does feel a little bit sterile in here, and a little bit echoey. So that's it for our time here at the TWA Hotel at JFK Terminal 5. Bit of a strange experience. The hotel, I think, aesthetically from outside the rooms at least, even inside the rooms to some extent, is stunning. I like the 1960s vibe that they've got going on in the hotel lobby, check-in area, terminal building, I guess is what it is. Coming into the rooms look beautiful. The nice minimalist sort of Art Deco style, I guess, that they've got going on in here is really cool, but then they've made a few weird choices. So rather than having bins, they've got the mat on the desk, which is like your garbage on one, your recycling on the other. So you've got all your air and all your dirty laundry. You know, they might pick through your rubbish anyway at the end of it, but just seems odd to just put all your rubbish on the desk. I wanted a glass of water in the night, and all that I had available was a martini glass, which is quite odd. But I think normally just beside the door they have a martini bar set up rather than having a coffee machine or anything like that. So that's a bit of a weird choice. But you're only here probably for one night. This isn't somewhere you're going to stay for a week on a vacation. As somewhere to rest your head, it's nice. It's nice. Being able to walk from baggage claim to your bed in about 5 minutes is just, you pay for that. The price of the hotel itself was quite expensive, but you pay for that convenience. We didn't have to get a taxi into city centre. We didn't have to stay in a really shoddy motel, 10-15 minutes around the corner. So it's not bad overall. It's not bad. Would we stay here again? In a pinch? Probably. But we wouldn't do it actively. We'd probably do a little bit more research. Maybe we'd be on a slightly earlier flight, and we could get in to city centre a little bit easier. But I'll let you guys decide for yourself. You've seen what the room looks like. You've seen a little bit of what the hotel looks like. And the styling is pretty cool. So if you did enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up. Do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. And it'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks.